Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I think Doggy might be back on the menu. I actually just converted a small position into Dogecoin. As of right now, I hold about 40, not 40, sorry, 40, like around 4K worth of Doggy. I think from here, if it run, I mean, obviously, if it runs to all-time highs, it'll be around a 4x, right? So that 4K would turn into 16, which is fantastic. Um, but I think right now, I think that the catalyst for Doggy is basically being accepted on Twitter, and I think until that actually happens, you're going to now have a continuous news catalyst from Elon Musk potentially revealing that there is going to be an option to pay in Doggy, and I think that there's gonna start being some Twitter mentions on Dogecoin, especially on the payment system, and possibly Bitcoin being accepted to pay for this $3 check mark on Twitter through Bitcoin, or like I said, or maybe through even Doggy, right? And I do think that this would actually be a catalyst for Doggy to be paid on for Twitter, right? I'm not saying it'll probably increase the price a lot. I'm just saying that there's a high chance that that Dogecoin from this can potentially pump to maybe like 30 cents or maybe something a little bit higher. Um, I think the next major sorry, I think the next major resistance is somewhere like 22 and then 28 and then like 33 cents. So I think it can definitely get there if Elon Musk consistently starts pumping Doggy and mentioning it as a possible payment system for that $3 check mark, or the three, or Twitter Blue, I think is what they're calling it. But this was just tweeted today, so I have to I have to think that Doggy is, for the most part, back on the menu, and I think it's going to be news based, not necessarily TA based. So whenever Elon Musk actually does tweet something, as of now, I do think it'll actually pump Doggy. So it's what happened, a couple of days back when he mentioned, I think, Doggy. I don't know what happened, but price pumped from from 10 cents to 15 cents, right? So I do think that that as of now, it can definitely start running all over again. And it just needed a catalyst, right? It needed something to look forward to, and I think this is possibly going to be it, so that there can be some chatter about Doggy Coin around the market. So personally, I put a position in about 4K into Doggy Coin. I'm just gonna let it sit, because I do think that from here it can at least hit something like maybe like 30 cents or so. But we don't know yet. Like I said, this isn't a TA based investment from my side. It's more of a news based investment, and basically letting Elon Musk pump the bag. That's kind of what I'm betting on. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.